Tuesday morning, Forex market video analysis back in your life, ladies and gentlemen. We got the dollar Swiss franc for a bit of an update. We haven't been here for quite some time, so you probably remember we were chasing that upside trend for a while, and last week we knocked off the target finally. That was our final destination, 101.09 or 101.10, and we've made it. The move had been terminated. Now, I'm not saying price action cannot push even further upwards. Of course it can. But for us, the move is over. And honestly, we feel like there's a very good chance that we'll have a full-fledged downside reversal at this point. That's why I came here today, mostly to talk about what is coming, what we think is coming with the dollar Swiss franc. So here are the technical details you need to know, right? So aside from the fact that we've reached our target, it was a kind of a long-term distance target, right? But also it was a Fibonacci projection level, meaning it was a legit resistance level. So no wonder it spiked that area and quickly turned around, right? Now, another interesting point we have to keep in mind, price action has just snagged the previous major high. So that's a big one, right? Snatching that previous major high, meaning now it is primed for a new downside trend. Another interesting point would be the trading range that we're in. We've been, price action have been trading inside of that range ever since May, right? This is the moment where it became, the movement became more of a sideways movement more than anything else, right? So we feel like the next move should come now back on the downside again. We have an obstacle. 99.41 was actually our primary target on our previous bullish campaign, right? 101.10 was final destination, but it wasn't the primary target. Primary target was not 99.41. So now on that tipping turning point right now, when pricing started to turn around, this is going to be our trigger level, right? So if pricing begins to cross over, that's going to be our cue to jump in, effectively flipping over. Right, because we've been bullish on the dollar Swiss franc. Yeah, now we're on the sidelines. But if we will engage with a short position, it would be basically flipping over with a bit of a break in between, waiting for price action to cross below 99.41, and I think it's coming. All right, I think it's coming. It can, it may arrive. It may happen in the next few days. It may happen in a week or two, but I think it's coming. And once it does, we're gonna be all over it, chasing price action back to 96.67. That's the next big support level. All right, I just wanted to touch base here on the dollar Swiss franc. It's on our watch list, meaning we're watching this thing very, very closely, and we're waiting for the right moment to strike. That's about that for this one. Dollar Swiss franc. We'll be back with the next video. Take care.